Hey people, my name is Haunter. How's you doing? Hope you're doing well. So, first I want to tell you a bit more about this channel. I had opened this channel to upload music videos of mine and tutorials about how to DJ and some music production tips and tricks. So let's first talk about today's topic. I'm here to show you how to DJ just with your phone. Yes, you heard it right, just with your phone. To start DJing and banging live sets, you have to download a application called DJing Mix. You can find link of this app in the description below. Okay, so after downloading and installing it, open the application and wait till it load properly. Now, you can see this interface. Let's see what it has.
Okay, so now you can see, there are two decks and a simple mixer was given. Take a look on these jog wheels. DJing had gave a cool branding logo on each jog wheel. They looks like kinda turntables. Maybe DJing Mix developers like turntables more than CDJs, and it is easy to scratch on turntables than any CDJs, so if you're looking for scratching, then it's a great deal for you. To start DJing, you must have to play some tracks. To play a track, just simply click on the deck or on the plus icon on the upper corner of every decks. Now you can see those track that you have in your phone. Pick any of your favorite track and hit the play button given in the bottom corner. Good, you made it. Now let's move on to our next point. Okay, moving on to the next point, as usual, it has a crossfader to switch between two tracks while playing. You can use them necessarily. And obviously a mixer, it has a pretty good mixer. When it came to mix heavy bass musics like dubstep, deathstep, brostep and rhythm, they kinda work well. Personally, I tried mixing dubstep on this, and this mixer works pretty well with it. As we are talking about mixing, frequencies plays main role in a smooth mix, and to make a smooth mix, you can tap on the CQ button to use all given frequencies, like high frequency, mid frequency and low frequency. We'll talk later deep about mixing and stuff. For today I'm trying to make it simple. Moving on to the next point, you can also see a FX button. Hope you guys already know what FX do. And if don't worry, I will explain every single thing later. Right, as you can see, we got dozens of FX here. To use them, simply tap on it and it'll active, and to use them, do same as I'm showing you.
Okay, we have covered almost everything we got here. Now this is a last thing to show you. As you can see, a sample button on the upper side of the mixer, above the volume fader. Yes, that's it, this small button. Tap on it and you see some sample pads have opened. You can use them as you want. Personally, I use them to fill gaps in mixes, and DJing gave you unlimited access to other genre samples. You can download them easily, and have fun with your favorite samples.
Sorry, I just forgot to show you the most important feature of this application. Look. As you can see, there's a button named Sync. It is the most important thing to mix tracks. When you're playing two tracks of different BPM or tempo, simply, of different speed, you can use the Sync button to match them with each other properly. You didn't got what I'm saying? Okay, let me show you. Congratulations. Cheer yourself, you had learned some basics about how to DJ. Now you can practice DJing with just your phone, with the help of DJing Mix. Personally, I want to tell you I'm not a big DJ, yeah. But I'm learning new stuff daily, and the only reason why I'm making these videos is to give you more information about what you really want without spending a lot of time on the internet. Utilize this time on your passion and skills, and if you find something really helpful for you in this video, give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment below. So, I'm Haunted, signing out. See you in the next video. Bye bye.